Good afternoon and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. Today we're doing something that we've not done for a long time. We're going geocaching. Now we've been to Choppington Woods, which is where we are now. We've been here before geocaching, but those geocaches are now gone. It's been that long and 3 new ones have appeared. So we're going to go and get those 3 new ones. So yeah, let's go. And whilst we're walking off to this first one, I want to give you the history of Choppington Community Woods. The attractive surroundings of Choppington Community Woods are the site of 2 former coal mines, High Pit and Low Pit. The Low Pit was sunk in 1857 and by 1881 was 260 metres deep. In 1947, there was 166,000 tonnes of coal expected, with another 91,000 from High Pit. So there you go. And in 1966, the mines closed, and in 1971, they started reclaiming the land to make Choppington Woods. Now, 57 deaths were recorded in their mines in the 100 years, that they were running. So there's a little bit of history for you. Now, I'm sure this crossroads here, or this bend, is near where the first geocache is. Sure it's this way. I'm going to check the app and I'll get back to you. Well, the app says to keep walking up that way, then turn left. I've got a feeling it's straight on through this little path here. Like this grass path. What a day to be wearing shorts. All these stingy things sticking out. Bah. And I'm just going to text, hey! Yeah, I was right. We're getting closer. There. So I think I've just found the host of what the geocache is on or in. I need to get over this gully first. I didn't die. That's all that matters. Time for a trek through the trees. Ow. Shorts were not a good idea. But yes, I believe this is the host to where the geocache is. It has to be, right? And this is part of the pit. So that'll be in the vent, I think. Yeah, time to search for the geocache. 2 minutes. Unfortunately, the first one was a DNF. Wah, wah, wah. And I don't know what's going on, because I've never seen mosquitoes in the UK before. I've seen midges, little tiny things that are similar to mosquitoes, but they're really, really tiny. I'm getting absolutely bitten to hell with mosquitoes. Like, there's one there, there's one there. Did you see it flying past the camera? Did it pick it up? They're like huge. They don't just come and bite you, they come around and hit you with a frigging baseball bat. Heaven is in your eyes. Kaleidoscope. But the way I feel is the way I ride. I will be the greatest man of your life. You're so incredibly beautiful tonight. I would give anything to hold you now. In color dreams I see a dark green line.
I still remember every sleepless night, but in your arms I sleep like a baby. Come hold me tight. I would give anything to hold you now. In colored dreams I see a dark green line. I still remember every sleepless night, but in your arms I sleep like a baby. Come hold me tight. Lost in each other's eyes, down by the riverside. You lured me in, warm and soft between sheets. The morning lights breaking, wandering on your skin.
Well, looks like my legs are going to get bitten and scratched and stung more, because it looks like this is where I need to go. Oh, that bit's not too bad. Just the bit getting to here was bad. But now my GPS isn't working. It's going all over the shop. Oh, mint. But the hint is, well, basically saying pylon. Now, I can't see any pylons around here, you know, the big electricity pylons. There's none of them here. What's that all about? Huh. Get back in a minute. I've just heard a steam train. We ain't got steam trains around here, but I have just heard a steam train whistle going, and it wasn't an hour before you start. What the heck? Is it ghosts? Is that the whistle off the mine? Well, I found it. I'm not showing you what the cache looks like or where it was exactly, but we did just walk past it, and you did see it on the camera earlier. Yeah. And there's no pylons. So, yeah, I'm not sure why it says that. So that one's been found, and the next one is somewhere way in them trees. And I've got a feeling it's a tree that's blown over, because the nickname of this one, or the name of the cache, is Storm Arwen. Now I can go up there and go up a proper path, which, if you can see it, get that, looks like a proper path that way, or I'll just cut straight through. Let's have a look. Yeah, let's take the proper path.
I've said it many times, I know I would change my ways, I know for sure. When all the crows decide to meet, they settle down beneath my feet. I've got it right and I got it wrong, but I learned my lesson hanging on. Come sit here with me by the fire and let it go for a little while.
Well, I got stung a few times there in the backs of the legs. Ow, stinging nettles. Right. Let me have a look. How far off are we? Oh, we're getting there. Keep going.
So be here as the night starts falling. Let my fingers walk over your head. We got nothing to be scared of. I'd rather be with you than by myself. Now always in your hands.
Well, I think we can take a guess to what the host is. I'll get back to you in a minute when I find the cache. If I find the cache. Well, that one had me stumped for a while. Yeah. And anyhow, there's another one of them. Look at it. Yeah, I'm being eaten alive by these mutated bloody mosquitoes. But yeah, can't show you what the cache was because it was a disco, and as you can see, I am sweating. There's another one.
When I was young, I thought control would lead me to an ending road, and heavy metal seemed to be the only thing that was for me. And I saw the angels coming down, and they sang a song and sang it loud. And I still remember parts of it, and the yellow glorious were lit.
Look at all the stingies on my leg. Ow, ow, ow.
My guide and let me follow. Can I hold your hand for old time's sake? And all this time you waited for me. Little did we know, I guess it's fate. Now all is in our hands. All is in our hands. All is in our hands.
Well then, that's me back in Lula, the camper van. We ended up getting 2 out of the 3.
Now don't be sad. Don't be sad, 'cause 2 out of 3 ain't bad.
Geocaches that's here. So yeah. Anywho, please do not forget to hit like, subscribe, comment, share, do all that good stuff on this video. Yeah, really need to boost the channel. See you all in the next one. Now it's time to do your job.